What's the deal? Y'all, we back at it again. Today should be the day. Finish bolting this motor up. Put all the radiator and fans in. Front core support in. Header panel. Front bumper. Headlights. Put everything back in. Plug the fuse box back up. Yeah. But after that, we should be good to start it. Everything on, the header's on. Got to put the AC compressor on. Alternator on. Water pump. After that, we ready to put it on. After that, we ready for the first start. What's this to? I think this is, I don't even know what wire that's to. But we finna get this together, man. So, be ready for the first start. Give me like a little bit more time. I'm about to do all of this off camera. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we start. Damn, there's a cat right there. What the fuck? I'm gonna get back to y'all once I put everything back in and do a first start video. This is my first time building the motor by myself, so hopefully hopefully it turn out good, bro. Hopefully it turn out good. Start right up. No knocking, no none of that. Just pray for the best. Damn, you squatting like a bad bitch. You gay as, that was gay as hell, bro.
Big knees, nigga.
Man,
what are
you doing?
I don't know. Nigga said he'd give me a bottle of water if I wash his tires. He went that way.
He went which way? I thought you was talking about dog down there. And where'd he go? Oh, he probably stopped talking to them.
That nigga said I have a crackhead kill all kinds for $20.
You think we're gonna get this GA started today? I had to fire a nigga today. I had to fire the fuck out of a nigga today. Nigga cracked my bumper. Nigga done put the wrong headlight in.
I got some touch-up paint now.
We had to fire a nigga today. Well, I gotta finish myself now.
You have to kick these right here.
Man. Told that nigga the only way you can stay is if you count all of these individual pebbles.
And we made him leave his wooden bat.
Should have hit his ass with that wooden bat.
That's the one he almost broke.
All right, y'all. For the most part, I got everything hooked up. Coolant topped off. Oil is in there. Yeah. I'm not even gonna close that for now. I think it's ready to be started up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared as fuck for real. I ain't gonna lie. That's all hooked up. Everything look hooked up. I got the exhaust hooked up, but it's not tight. I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop so they can look at it. I'm scared as fuck to start it. Come on. Hold on, I gotta set the phone up some kind of way so y'all can see it here. So, hold on, watch y'all. It's my first startup. Let's see. Let's see how this go. I'm scared as fuck, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? No, God, please, no, no!
That's just oil burning off. Trying to make sure it ain't not burning. All right, I'm gonna cut it off for a second. Shit. All right, this motherfucker running though. I ain't gonna lie. I just want to see what's up here smoking. Make sure ain't nothing. I need my light right quick. Just want to make sure ain't nothing fucked up. All right, let's see. Start number 2. Sir, I had to take that headlight back out though. I still got to finish up a couple of things. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, car started. Only thing I got to do is get the exhaust looked at and stuff like that. Go over all of that because I hooked the exhaust back up, but for some reason it wasn't lining up right. So I'm gonna just get the exhaust looked at. But it seemed like it runs straight. I'm gonna get it retuned. Drive it for a little bit, and see how that go. But yeah, I guess so. My first build on the motor turned out good so far. As far as I know better like tomorrow if I see any leaks or something like that. I'll probably know within like a day or two or something like that. But as far as now, the only thing I gotta go back in my motor and change is my I gotta change my trunnion, my rockers and shit. Put the trunnion kit on there, which is easy. I can do all of that inside the car. That's why I didn't care so much. But other than that, it run good as far as I can tell. And yeah, so get back at y'all when I go get it tuned or whatever I do to it next. Got y'all.
I know a nigga who a white son when his eye twitch. I buy a drum with every gun I got with extended clips. Don't try to send me Drake without the seal, cause I'm stealing it. My uncle all this hell, he walk around with a Dillinger.